In this video, we will learn how to block someone on Threads. So, let's get going. Open a Threads account. If you don't have one, simply install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android device, then register for an account. You must visit the App Store if you use an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. I will show you two different ways to block someone on Threads. The first one is simply to open a profile that you want to block. Press the three dots in the upper right corner. A menu will appear with different options like About Profile, Mute, Restrict, Block, and Report. Press the block option and you will receive a confirmation notification. Press block one more time to block that account. See, it was very easy. Now the second option to block someone is just to open your profile. Then press followers just right below your user ID. Now press the following and a list of your following will appear. Choose any account you want to block. Open that profile and press the three dots. The same menu as in method 1 will appear with the same options. Just press block and you will receive a confirmation notification again, so press block again. See, you have successfully blocked someone. So, these were the two easiest and simplest ways to block someone on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.